Everyone thinks the best-selling hair clipper oil is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Hops No. 9 Lubricating Oil. First up is the Hops No. 9 Lubricating Oil, priced at $7.99. What caught my eye here is its status as a bestseller, boasting an impressive 4.8-star rating from over 35,800 reviews. If you want reliable, high-viscosity oil that protects your clippers while ensuring they run smoothly, this is worth a serious look. It's refined to perfection, which means it provides a strong lubrication to reduce wear and tear on your blades. Its 14.9 milliliter bottle is compact yet efficient, and with over 2,000 purchases in the past month, it's clearly a favorite among users. Now, some people complained about the small bottle size. Here's the thing though, while it might seem small, a little goes a long way. So if you're not using your clippers every day, it will last you a decent amount of time. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable oil that can be used for various precision tools. Skip this one if you need a larger quantity at once, but honestly, for the price, it's a solid option. Now, if Hop's smaller bottle didn't sit right with you, the next product might actually be even better for longer use. Product number 2, Wahl Premium Hair Clipper Oil. Next is the Wahl Premium Hair Clipper Blade Lubricating Oil, priced at $5.97. With a 4.7-star rating from over 70,500 reviews, this one is also highly regarded. If you want a product that extends the life of your clipper blades, this is worth considering. This oil is specifically designed for Wahl clippers, but works just as well with other brands. You only need to apply a few drops, and it can significantly enhance the efficiency of your clippers, reducing friction and heat. Given its popularity, it's clear users appreciate how well it prolongs their blade life. However, some users have mentioned that the dropper can be a bit messy. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's just a minor issue in the grand scheme of things. This is perfect for you if you're a regular user of Wahl products or want top-tier longevity for your clipper blades. Skip this one if you're looking for something that works with very heavy-duty clippers, as it's more tailored for lighter use. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for extra features. Product number 3, Opov Premium Hair Clipper Oil. Now let's talk about the Opov Premium Hair Clipper Blade Lubricating Oil, priced at $8.99. It has a 4.7-star rating and over 1,700 reviews. If you're someone who wants a larger volume of oil for extended use, this is worth your attention. With a generous 120 milliliters, this oil can last you years if you use just a few drops each week. It also emphasizes rust prevention and prolongs blade life, which is essential for keeping your clippers in top shape. The included clean brushes help you apply it perfectly, ensuring no corners are missed. However, a few users noted that the bottle design could be improved for easier pouring. I'll be real with you, while the design isn't perfect, the quality of the oil itself makes it a strong contender. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a long-term solution and don't want to keep repurchasing often. Skip this one if you prefer smaller, more portable bottles. Now, if you're looking for something that mixes affordability with professional quality, the next product might catch your eye. Product number 4, Premium Lubricating White Oil. Next up is the Premium Lubricating White Oil from Uni Kitchen, priced at $10.99. It boasts a solid 4.8-star rating with 2,000 reviews. If you're looking for high-quality oil that protects your clippers while enhancing performance, this is a great choice. This 8-ounce bottle offers a lot of bang for your buck. It protects against rust and corrosion while improving cutting performance. Just a few drops can reduce irritation during use, making it a favorite among many users. The oil is also chemical-free and non-toxic, which is a huge plus. That said, some reviews pointed out that the oil can feel a bit sticky. But here's the thing, if you apply it correctly, that shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you want something that balances quality with affordability. Skip this one if you're looking for a quick-drying oil specifically. Alright, that was an impressive find. But let's wrap this up with one last product that's a solid contender. Product number 5, Andes Clippers Clipper Oil. Finally, we have the Andes Clippers Clipper Oil priced at $5.85. With a 4.8-star rating from over 8,100 reviews, it's a trusted choice. If you want a simple, effective oil that does the job well, this is definitely worth checking out. This oil is formulated to be colorless and odorless, which means it won't interfere with your grooming routine. It lubricates and cleans the blades effectively, making it safer and more accurate for cuts. The 4 fluid ounces is just the right amount for regular maintenance without being overwhelming. However, some users mention that it doesn't come with an applicator, which could make application a bit tricky. But honestly, for the price and performance, it's still a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you want something straightforward and reliable. Skip this one if you need a premium oil with extra features, but for regular maintenance, it's a great buy. Now, to wrap it all up, let's quickly compare the gems we've just gone through. In summary, we covered 5 fantastic oils. Hops number 9 for reliability, Wall for blade longevity, Oppo for volume, Uni Kitchen for balance, and Andes for simplicity. Each has its strengths, so consider what matters most to you when making your choice. Whichever one you pick, your clippers will definitely thank you.